Imagine a labyrinth, constantly shifting and changing. That's the world of Google algorithm updates, ever evolving. Algorithms are like the secret sauce, the magic behind Google's ability to deliver the most relevant search results. Every year, Google tweaks its algorithm hundreds of times. Some changes are minor, almost unnoticeable, while others, like the Panda, Penguin, and Hummingbird updates, revolutionize the search experience. Panda, introduced in 2011, focused on quality content. Websites with thin or duplicate content felt the sting. Then came Penguin in 2012, penalizing unnatural links. And Hummingbird in 2013, understanding the intent behind a search query. Remember, Google's goal is to provide the best user experience. Content is king, but quality, relevance, and authenticity are the royal court. Stay informed about these updates, as they can directly impact your website's visibility and ranking. Google's labyrinth may be complex, but it's not impossible to navigate. Know the rules, play the game, and you can conquer the maze. Until the next update, that is. Stay tuned.